Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to a bank account in 2026. Want to move on your money from Coinbase back to your bank account? Here's the exact step-by-step process to withdraw safely and quickly. Now, before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're gonna have to go to your web browser or your Android device or your iOS device. Then you can download the app from there. And if you're using a computer, you can go to your web browser and search for the Coinbase.com website. Once you find this, you're gonna click on it. And if you haven't created an account already, you can click on sign up and proceed to create an account by adding your information. Once you create an account, you're going to make sure to log into that account. Now, after you log in or you open the Coinbase app or the website and sign into your account, you're going to make sure funds are in cash. Now, if your money is still in crypto, you'll need to sell it first and convert it to your cash balance. So you can do that by clicking on Assets at the bottom of the screen, then select Cash Balance and choose your available cash balance. Then you're going to click on the Withdraw button or Cash Out. After that, you're going to select your linked bank account and add the payments method or the payouts method. After that, you're going to enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the details and confirm. Now, bank withdrawals can take 1 to 3 business days depending on your country and bank processing time. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.